This is a 1 metre cube. For reference, it's about the same size as a pallet of bricks. But how much does this cube weigh? Well, it depends on what it's made from. For example, if we fill it with water, it will weigh 1,000 kilograms, or 1 ton, giving it a density of 1 gram per cubic centimetre. In this video, we'll be using this cube to compare the density of various materials used on a construction project. Before we begin, if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing to our channel? We upload quantity surveying related content every Wednesday. First off, it's worth explaining what causes something to be more or less dense. The pictures below show different arrangements of atoms. The closer the atoms are together, the more dense the material is. So starting off, we have wood, with the density range of roughly 300 to 900 kilograms per cubic metre. Used for structural framing, flooring and roofing, wood is the only material on this list that's less dense than water, which is why it floats. Next is dry clay, typically between 1,200 and 1,600 kilograms per cubic metre. Clay is used for producing bricks, tiles and other fired products due to its ability to harden when heated. Following that is loose gravel, which comes in around 1,350 to 1,900 kilograms per cubic metre. Gravel is commonly used in drainage layers and concrete mixes where strength and stability are essential. Then we have dry sand, ranging between 1,400 and 1,650 kilograms per cubic metre. Sand is used in concrete mixes, screeds, and as a base for paving because it compacts well and provides a solid foundation. Next up is cement, sitting at around 1,440 to 1,500 kilograms per cubic metre. Used as the main binding agent in concrete and mortar, cement gives these materials their strength and rigidity once it hardens. Then comes red brick, with an average density between 1,600 and 2,000 kilograms per cubic metre. Bricks are used for walls and facades, offering excellent durability and thermal mass in buildings. Moving on, we have asphalt concrete, coming in at around 2,200 to 2,450 kilograms per cubic metre. It's used for road surfacing and car parks, thanks to its flexibility and resistance to heavy traffic loads. Next is concrete, which typically ranges between 2,200 to 2,500 kilograms per cubic metre. Concrete is used for foundations, floors, and structural elements because of its high compressive strength and versatility. After that, reinforced cement concrete, typically ranging between 2,400 and 2,600 kilograms per cubic metre. It's used in beams, columns and slabs where both strength and durability are critical. Then we have glass, which comes in at around 2,500 kilograms per cubic metre. Glass is used in windows, facades, providing light and visibility while maintaining strength. And finally, we reach steel, the heaviest material on our list, with a density between 7,800 and 8,100 kilograms per cubic metre. Used for reinforcement and structural frameworks, steel combines immense strength with durability, making it vital in modern construction. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button. It really does help this channel out. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.